English muni fibro session part hakan nega video mentang ini page ya question paper jong UB constable ka bade jong usnem R ka recruitment ka jong R ka khandai tang mar ka simpor bha hadu R ka don ka exam ting ini page ka question paper nganam solve dring issue page kalong hakan no kom baki jigli wan kenang ba phiru phinnang wan kre baki long kumne hakan ne kom question ki ne ki suk ne ki jam ka shong ha phi marwai hi wa page ya ta question paper te sampai jika nih video nam tagi bulan kamu empat yo question paper te sampai kilong kumno kita question paper masa sedang no kajeng penkre na kamta kane mat kajeng mare ro phya penkre baraka exam ro penkre lupa no nalu menta phya tho lupa no phya yu lupa no iki important points e baro nam ta kane kam na phikwa ba phen yo tiang ya menta haka question paper tementang la poi kane ka question paper kane kade ki patho exam ho arjar r ndre kade jong asnem recruitment jong asnem arja khandai mo ken wan shwataka English grammar and usage part 1 pengal ong fi kade ki opposite in meaning mau paham katu select the word opposite in meaning number 1 hadu shipho ba Shipotali question armak kawai mo 2 marks kawai armak te ars and shipo ar 4 mark tang naginero te pe hangne ong ba kiba la biang ke English te kila khamso gi accuse te ke ka bolong opposite mo amdai same opposite baya persya berkata ka jingmut berkata accuse te subject nang ne uno bolong ya persya ane kite bolong opposite ya ka meaning jong accuse te subtip ka meaning kamut ayu accuse subtip la phimtip mut ba pela janjar tangba kanmo kawai amdon negative marking sakumta affection brag perish fanatical kini tiap puli peculiar beref to kane kawai khamsuk anthrai baro yalahi urban pej urban kadai sejaga sor te hangne opposite meaning mud badai rural anthrai rural de sejaga kendong te kita kilong opposite meaning kan jaga sor jaga kendong opposite meaning then kumtahi shipo tali ki question ki 1 ada shipo kini dai opposite in meaning dan ngala dong pa shipo tali kum gini ki 1 te sapan kre ba kum gini la ban wan kano ka kentin keywords kinu no keywords klam dai ki basuk klam dai ki ba kin 1 ta kamna pihaban play pilaban download daga apps ne pilaban pule kat badon hakikot ne ka shong happy we ki ba pen kre tamba pihaban kre no nadu mentahi ter kisngi 4 tip lano ke exam tama phya pan kre lupa no ada phikwa ban la shisha pe hang nes number question number 11 to 20 are shipotali yang question select the word which are similar in meaning kaju ka kentin kaju tehne bade annual mut his name annual tela bandai kaju meaning tela bandai be yearly atharai pada tikana kataru tengah shu kata ka answer na annual yearly entai bias then confiscate then exemplary devastate predicament tegine ki berani English background te kelas 2 im ki meaning habitual mta terter hadu ba arpo illegitimate juvenile te juvenile Atharai hangne la David juvenile la David young young hi kadang kena juvenile secek sama biru dalam day te gitu are totally question ketika same meaning but opposite meaning kiwan kum gitu ta hangne bada select the suitable words 21 to 30 ini di fill in the blank ni ngala bang people want fill in the blank baik ini I done then that when no sooner did she arrive that dash they started laughing done that then when chap nang mapian pendam kenero she totally question would are 4 mark tan gini is it dash wish you wish to see jet kawai ini is it me you wish to see or it is I it is mine it is myself. Is it me you wish to see? Maybe na bandai. Kumta tartar ke jingli gwan kumine. I asked dash but nobody had seen my wallet. I asked around, I asked about, I asked around. Chini chatai. Okay, I asked around but nobody had seen my wallet. Kumta ke jingli phaban pandam. te phaban kre ba kum ginero ban sutu ba ki kumnu ban pandap kita ki content kanero don spotali mod ba spotali question ar fomak ar phok ne ar phonong tu ndru fomak tan ginero. Then life way to life san kanere substitute one words for the following sentence. Kawai content ya kanere sentence siap substitute da kau tanggawai content. One who goes on foot kibaya jah kejat. Mano badai ni kini bayat kejat. Rider, footer, walker. Hang telah ada pedestrian hi. Pajak bayat kejat ni pedestrian telah ada pedestrian hi. Begitu ki ai ki jengkari kita kara ya pudi paham. Rule by the mob. One who do anything for money. Nam tak pisah. Ini telah ada mercenary. Ai pisah pak ban lek konor kin lek baik. Ada mercenary hi. One who know how to read and write bam ban thok bantar ban pulih ban thok bantar. Ada illiterate hi. Illiterate bam ban thok bantar ban pulih ru. Ada illiterate hi. Maybe illiterate hi. Tekum kini santali kemudian basi 4 marks. Then ada orang lupa kemudian mistake, grammatical mistake. Spanya whether there is any grammatical mistake in it. Hakan ke question ada apa yang dapat A, B, C, and D. Then the patient lodged a complaint against the doctor for its negligence. Tah labiang then no mistake. Tapi boleh kan ada hisham ba kadon ka grammatical mistake tesatik ikata. Shuk kadon grammatical mistake kabaningkong pi haptik ikane kabaningkong mod ba A. Ada kadon ada omdon mistake mod your correct answer should be D. Kumta kan. Kawai. Te nadap ayang tu te sajin pi te sun marks santali question mod shi 4 marks tang ni grammatical mistake ro. Way are lie saw santali question shi 4 mark. Then wrong spell. Mulba wrong spelling, wrongly spell. The number wrong spell is the answer. Kata kaba pijit kata kaba bakal per spelling kade correct answer. Ada amdon or the correct as the answer pijit. Pijit kaba bakal kata kade ka answer ka jong pi. Appraise, apprise. Benevolent, beneficial, benign. Kumta pijit kanu kaba bakal spelling. Check page ka baba kelas spelling. Apuli ba question romo. Ada omdon baba kala kamud ba ada ibaro correct ada D is the correct answer. Te katuru sun marks. Sun tali question 4 marks. Te giwan segini preposition. John died dash overwork and exhaustion. Fill in the blank with right preposition or from within. Fill in the blank with right preposition. Jadi lawan change ini lawan di weru. Everyone loves him. Change the passive voice of the given sentence. Change ya kane passive voice. Pi check nang nehi. Kanu kabadai na kate kane. Then kane I never admit he explained. Change into indirect speech. Sajid nang tu kanu kabadai ka answer na gini. Tesan totally. His part marks ada indirect speech, preposition, fill in the blank, one word, opposite meaning, same meaning. Kumta tater gimana question. Then kan ke arithmetic ba kam juat di babun kam tam kibre naga 12 arts kibre di art section ta kan ka baning te multiply bet tang ba lagi decimal point babun kin la bet tang ba la poi kini gi words kini ki words problem te kin kamajan jari hap puli kan tin hap ken hap yu te kapor kla bam ha te kadang ong ba ya kamats de ban bu halas. Keywords, keywords ba ginero. A content requires 798 kumta tater. Takane kawasan saw ka kamsuk find 12% of 5,000. Namun pa, shukain percentage ne ada ken lupa. Kadara po ispa into 5,000. Laya calculate kada indrus pa answer indrus pa. In a school percentage square root kawan. Kane square root na try nang hi square root jong saus pa. Habo ken square root saus pa. Yo kan no. And cost of the way and travel kini words problem bon words problem te fin jenjar ba distance data for cardinal for kaner kan chimpor ba in a class of 60 ratio which of the following is a prime number kaner kan kamsuk uno ni kini bade prime number te no kini de khat khandai te la de kin pang tu de khat khandai phap nang phap ma yu ki bala yu ba ki tip non kamban kin na kam ye pe kan knowledge ke jong fi ke kita prime number yu whole number e phap tip kita te uday khat khandai. Nero what's problem kantin kam shimpor haban ken daw ka jing ken piaban bu shuan kong turo what's problem turo profit kanele profit preswangi profit ni tekan shimpor bah ban ken keme debri what's problem distance kinetic distance speed of the car. A car travels distance of 806 in 12 hours. What is the speed of the car? Speed the distance by time. The distance is plus 100 ka time kadai khat r. Te saya multiply saya yung tu tang kan ero ka simpor bah da kada math section bu by shalas. That we divide by half, then train running speed, the distance, and 5%, then okay. Kamat section di ben bu by shalas. Bila ban kontak bejarek pulih bah ya kini giwe katam dari pinduna ha kamats pada basic elementary science tentang in poin saka basic elementary science san phomang ide basic ma te ka shong saka jeng prepare ka jeng prepare ha kan dor rainbow is produced when sunlight fall and drop of rain. Which of the following physical phenomena are responsible jet nang to the source of energy is basically formed nak A kata source of energy dan sajit mapi ang tu ka ansar nak A nak sun ne ocean na atmosphere na space ada nak sun si nak sengi source of energy. Rise of mercury in barometer indicate when electric bulb break there is a meltdown due to knowledgeable borrow the safety fuse when domestic electrical appliance lighted candle when covered with tumbler because of kiwan kemungkinan jigli. And which of the following is used in pencil? How pencil nagi A kini kipron kam. Graphite ne, silicon ne, phosphorus ne, charcoal. Kemungkinan jigli tapi hab badai ne kini bapanon kam. A ship rises in the sea river because the first metal used by a man was mano weight of metal by using the most abundant metal on the earth crust is filament, and an electric bulb is made of how bore light to filament badan A. Galvanized iron sheet have a coating of jet nang tu. Which of the following is not a wireless data transmission method? Bomday ki wireless ki A ni gini tegi bun kini dia bina science. Highest grade of cool switch surface shining has a highest calorific value kumudba naka jingli science kim juan ki duna bhagi definition tama ki wan baik ki knowledgeable ayu baik question kemine ki highest grade of coal or coal no na kini bude highest calorific value na kini ki saujat coal. Balloon are filled with jaga balloon na pandap da A ka jaj air panda sa kanyang tu. Vitamin which is provided by sunlight or human body A to vitamin ba ai na kasngi nang. Vitamin which is very valuable easily destroyed during cooking as well. Compound used in antimaterial drug. Most important requirement for people of fluid head area is flower colors are due to naka ega daw color jong sentiu nei naka e are due to tepiaban puli bak mut bara puli ke science 910 ro dai bai just true knowledgeable haban sutu kumta te no balong important tepiaban bu mak kita kan pan yo ya ka PDF link jong kane question paper ma don ki bakwa ya PDF tesa klik ya ka link hapo description ngan bu hapo ka description te bisa la ban download ya kane question paper jong kane ka bang ya page menta jong ka UB constable te bisa ban download da ka PDF link bar bisa la ban solve ma phi bar select ban compare bar select ban wat ki question bar select ban hakatu kadur kilong te bisa nang hi ban krep malah te haka jura knowledge pada kiwan lang kita ga na ka change mo malo kapor ka change kum gi snam kapor hang ne pada ba jadan lang komputer who founded Yahoo hang ne kapor gi ai komputer te kala ban change menta pada lam de ni ki subject lam de nya kinu lam de history lam de politik lam de ini geography lam de te ka sum ka jing unok sa jing kli ka fer ngoi te haka ne ga snam pada ki ai naga komputer who founded Yahoo. CD-ROM is the computer section or CD-ROM is Bluetooth related to te hangne lawan no GK jong Meghalaya. Autonomous state of Meghalaya came into existence in the year gne dei GK jong Meghalaya. Kada pilih ha GK jong Meghalaya. Mano la yo state ni kong mano kita tagi state di ba autonomous state, dan state day of Meghalaya is observed on state day kita itu important ba. Men hakan utarek la observe eta ka state day of Meghalaya. And then Meghalaya will celebrate its 50th statehood day in the year. Baik, kini gibalong important ma haka tu kapor ni celebrate tu kasnem hi batho exam tengi celebrate kata ka but next ni celebrate kata ka san post nem jing dap san post nem te jingli ka wan kom kata ro makalong important te dwe arjar pulai ma nambakala ni celebrate te kawan kom ne jingli ni te exam arjar par te mar ngila pun kret lupana do te kisnem arjar par snem. And 12 chief minister of Meghalaya mano to bakhat ar chief minister jaban tip. Then McMahon line demarcate the boundary one gade general edge la de India. Oh McMahon line te kam deri chamai Meghalaya la de shabar bade. Te kadau ha pule lang bat kui ru ki tip. Greenwich time is standard time which the following countries GMT. Greenhouse effect apo environment one environment ro jiki te kini ro phap nang ke kita greenhouse effect. Tem black box use mean commonly relation which of the following apole which of the following is called black gold. Uno ni kini bude to black gold. Which of the following Indian state receive the sun rays first in the morning? Kane ada bakala ada Arunachal Pradesh. Ada Arunachal Pradesh Tesa check ba sapuli ba. Ngud ba Northeast GK ro kin kali. Good governance day is observed birthday which prime minister of India. Then India GK itu which officer person was assisted to Jalan Labak tragedy. Okay, kini kinwan syaka history maybe. Ozone layer protect us from naga science. Indian longest day fall on southern tips of India. Which state India occupies the same 20 ranking position respect of area and population. The first Hydel project in Meghalaya kini nak tu porgi Paunam High project. First Hydel di napo Meghalaya GK itu. Tura is the district headquarter of kumgini. The newest district of Meghalaya. Tukapor Balpagram National Park is located on which district? Ki national park ba important. Which is the state tree of Meghalaya? Tarway. State animal kita ra phamnang. Bun mag biji. Bun mag jingli phaban prep. Picture plant found Meghalaya catch insects through what strap? Today Captive Yakartang high altitude cash crop in Meghalaya. Wait of high altitude cash crop. Cherry tree bloom in Meghalaya during which season? Captive season. Chakra cave high cherry blossom. Te season ayu kata ayom ayu. Baik kan Meghalaya police is headed by Weiba. Headu jong Meghalaya police mano balang head ya ka Meghalaya police. Captive Teachers Day fall on. Okay. Children's Day is observed. Tuesday but Teachers Day you want actually. There laban change last name there. In India, House of the People is called te gini na polity te House of the People ka kata ka Raja Sabha ne ka Lok Sabha ne ka Vidhan Sabha. Then Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has how many members? Kane ka Assembly jo Meghalaya ki MLA gidon hadu kan nongot te kane de Indrupho. How many autonomous district council are there in Meghalaya? Kanotali ki district council don po Meghalaya te don lightly Khasi Jantia Bagaro te de lies answer. Name the paramilitary force in India. Ki kita paramilitary force in India. Name jit nang ni kano ka badai ke paramilitary force tik. At present BrahMos missiles assembled at which panginer GK kini mo S-400 from Russia refers to ISRO launch to kapon na UFRSO. Neeraj Chopra won gold medal to kapol sumber Olympic adon tementas nem kadon ke Olympic te kin jingali na kanek Olympic ke ban yelek mentau snem kan sawan baik hau kane ka exam police ru kan mau ba la kidon gibon bo job ban kan mau hai kerteng jong itu kiba yo medal te hakane ru kidon Mirabai Chanu won silver medal in Tokyo Olympic 2021 te mentau snem kan don ka Olympic 2024 te piaban tip hai kerteng ginong job jong mentau snem ru markan wan hakan next exam jong Meghalaya police pe Lina Borgohan atau por job kiwan tang na kan arjar fu Olympic wan way ar lightly question temeta snem ro dabun lai southly question tela dabun kan wan bang Ravi Kumar Dahya won silver medal Tokyo Olympic COVID-19 malaria conference dinosaur bun found which district of Meghalaya to kapor paunam ha kanero te kalong pertan inheritance of properties Meghalayan age itu kapor kayong pertan ha kiwan universal bird swine flu kum tatar te kijingli kiwan ha kam kane te phya nang mahar kam ban khre kijigir phya wat ki ban new ha ka tu kapor ki bam patla ban print hakikot ru te phya ban nang ban khre ba kum ta pulih bahai kot takadau nadu ningkong hapulih kot bah te gede ki bala ada degree lupa te gila kham suk nomor ba kaka knowledge jongki kala kham yar gila kham yo bon jing tip te gila kham per re gibrang sedap class 12 lan gi bala sange gi bedon tang sessionong gi bam ju page ne chata gi bam ju le gi shulej bala kita te kham dunahi kan knowledge re gi ba sha page man kapor gi page ini kita te cha yo bon hi gi jing tip te sapan kre bahano sedang no ski pasuki pulino khendiat pakhendiat hadu manadai kapor exam tang kini ki jingerap nakaleng kajonga habe de bat ka UB constable kumno ban prepare ke exam kum kino gijat ngili giwan tengla syarap mulumalakat kum ka jingla ajonga habe de bat kane tang kini hi khule shibun